Once upon a time, there was a boring dog who bred boring sharks who played boring football. The boring dog cried boring Tivo. Oh no! The boring Tivo is attacking! He's going to attack my boring sharks who play boring football! Camels from the town! Come quickly! What is it, boring dog? We will attack this boring Tivo with our crystallized urine! Oh, I'm just kidding! There is no boring Tivo, you stupid camel! Grr! Hot. Curse that stupid half-wit boring puppy! How dare he insult our crystallized urine! It is a deadly weapon! Soccer is fun! Football is old school!
Score!
Oh no! Help! Camels! The boring Tivo is attacking! What is it? This time we have our boring dry camel dung that helps us not lose moisture in the hot desert conditions. No, you idiot! I was just joking again! Ah! How dare that stupid boring dog thing insult our highly adaptable dry camel dung. It's so dry it can be used as wood. As you can see, the camels were very angry at this thing that he had done to insult them. They take high dignity in their dry camel dung. Now, where will the story go? Unless you're a complete idiot, you will be able to know what happens next. Help! The boring Tivo is attacking! Oh no! Really? Help! The boring Tivo is attacking! How dare him? He's such a... Are you going to say something insulting? No, I'm just trying to go to the bathroom. I'm not bouncing this pink ball against this blue mat that shouldn't exist. Bzz. Blah. Ha-ha. Bzz. Blah. No, please. Great Tivo, spare me. Spare me. Okay, I will spare you. The way your shoe will take care of you, and so will the non-existent blue mat. What?
Woo! What? What's that? Crap!